I wanted to share this kitchen renovation with you because I think it's a really great transformation of an awkward, long, narrow space. Clients we worked with on this project had a pretty clear vision of what they wanted in terms of style. They knew they really loved French bistro. They travel to Paris a lot. But bistro for different people means different things. So we had to translate that into something that felt current, not something you've seen a million times before, and also work with an awkward space. So the space we had to work with was quite dated, and one thing that really did not work was the island. You can see it was a very awkward shape, and they actually weren't even sure if they could fit an island, and that was their first question to me. So I really felt that we could keep an island because we could do something that was very long on purpose. It makes it look like that was this design all along. Maximize the space as much as possible and really give them a great prep area. We weren't going to put a sink in it, so it's really just countertop for prep. One of the main features that I wanted to bring to the design was the backsplash. I think it's a great opportunity to do something special, and this was a basket weave that I've always been a fan of, but it incorporates a little bit of gray, breaks up all the Carrara marble, and we decided to bring it right to the ceiling around the window because I think it just maximizes the vertical nature of the kitchen because it isn't a very big kitchen. So maximizing the height of the room really helps a small space. Another thing that the clients really didn't like about the previous kitchen was that the cabinets didn't go to the ceiling. There was just this great expanse of wasted space above them. So the new cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. There's a ton of storage in here for a small kitchen, and I think that's what really works for them. Another way to bring in a bistro style is through hardware. I'm a huge fan of hardware. I think it's kind of like the decoration for the cabinets. And this is one of my favorite types of hardware. It's a nice dark oil rubbed bronze, but it's almost a gray graphite color from Restoration Hardware. We used it on all the drawers, and the cabinet pulls are actually glass that goes with them. We did a lot of drawers in here actually, and that's usually something I like to incorporate into our kitchen designs. I think that drawers are so much more functional than cupboards, and so we've really put them wherever we could fit them in here. Another item that was high up on their wish list was to incorporate the hardwood floor from the rest of the house and really have it run right through the space seamlessly. They had an outdated ceramic floor before, and this actually allowed us to heat the wood floor, so it's nice and toasty under your feet, something soft to stand on while you're working in the kitchen. There's a really big change in the back of this kitchen that looks onto the backyard, and that is this great big open glass door. That was also huge for the clients. They wanted to bring in as much light as possible. They have a really pretty urban garden, and also allowed us to make use of what was virtually an unusable closet stuck in the kitchen. It's a perfect space to steal to make an eat-in kitchen. So we did a built-in banquette with a wine fridge. This is not a very large banquette by any means, but you can comfortably fit 2 people. But one way that gives it the illusion of more space is using mirror on the back of it. I think it's a great place for a mirror. It reflects these huge doors as well. And something we also like to do in our banquettes a lot is use this laminated linen. It gives that impression of a natural linen, but it actually has a laminated coating on it that's wipeable. And this is the perfect place to sit down and enjoy your coffee and your breakfast and really enjoy your backyard all year round. All in all, I would say this is one of my favorite transformations of a smaller kitchen because I think it is a classic that's not going to go to style anytime soon. The homeowners really knew what they liked, and for them, it's going to be something they're going to love for many years to come.